Alyssa.
Hello.
She's my sister.
Hello.
I'm so cold. I should really put back on my shirt.
Hello.
She's a little. Not really.
I'm not.
She just. Okay. So, what do you want to talk about today, Alyssa?
I don't know.
Well, let's talk about. What are you good at talking about?
Stop staring at me.
Do you want to talk guys? Girl advice to guys?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, you have a husband to be.
Shut up.
Alright. Tell me, Alyssa.
I'll be right back.
Sure. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm safe saying, you know me. I know the club closes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to my crib, I'ma show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. Ooh, wait, ooh. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Tell me what you think about that. Buy me in the gray Cadillac.
Do I look like a creeper?
Probably, I don't know.
I wanted to.
Burr. Okay.
I thought that was mine. I was like, excuse me.
Mine.
Oops.
Let's drunk forget what
Did you
we
just say,
did.
let's get drunk and forget what we did?
Yeah. I'ma buy you a drink. Ooh, wait, ooh. I'ma take you home with me. I know, I'm shaking. Burr. I'm freezing.
Is that Bubby?
Come here, show him. It's our dog. Cam's over this way. He's so cute. He's so smart.
He's a fat, like a himbo.
He's so loving. I love you.
It's a guy.
His name's Meatball. He goes by Handsome too, guys.
I'm Bubby. I'm Mr. Meat.
There you go, boy. Okay. Well, I don't think my music's gonna load, so.
You don't think it is?
Do you have a tablet?
No.
Is on your tablet?
No.
Can you go get your tablet?
No. Why?
Because our viewers are bored. You got some good music, but.
Okay. I'll come back with a minute taker again.
Okay. Have fun with that. Oh. You can add me on Facebook. Savannah Custer. Pretty blonde. I don't care. I'll add it. Everybody's asking me to go to their house. I'ma buy you a drink. Okay. Ow. You sat on me.
I have a favorite thing in the world.
Uh-oh. Zip shot.
Yeah.
That's her favorite. What's up there? Wait till you see her dance.
You're not going to.
You can see my baby! She's that cat. Right there. That's my baby. Her name's Pepper.
Bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like rolling in limousine. To the mezzanine, dressed in all pinks in my gator shoes. Those are cream drinks and a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Still wash the seats. Smells like R. Kelly sheets.
She's
What
sad
you
on
see? It was
me.
99 cents. Pocket copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else is now walking in by me and grungy fucking men. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money and I'm hella happy. I'ma take your grandma style. I'ma take your grandma style. No for real. Fashion grandpa. Can I have his hand me down? You know a jumpsuit and some little slippers. You cute all leather jackets that I found. Digging out. They had a list of keyboards. I bought a pro keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a keyboard. Hello, my house is man, my pillow. Queen ain't no fringe getting held up. I got these pro wings. Make 'em cool as hell those. Sneakers.
You can hear him more, dude.
Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid luggage. Up shirt, cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the you can find me in the
So look at the wall here.
Grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that motherfucker. The building onesie with the socks on that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop in that motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight.
You got right.
That's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant bitch. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella don't eat gang. Come take a look through my
He's making me do
Tryna
that,
get
you guys. I am not.
and you hella won't.
It was just on my arm. It was on my leg. Oh my god, I didn't even hear Okay, we're done with her music.
No.
Okay.
I'll take something.
Something good.
Yeah, this is something else. How about ew. Whatever this is.
It's your music. How do you not know what it is?
What about
Ooh, I like this. Sing it with me.
I know sometimes
Things may not always make sense to you right
I
now.
don't think that was singing properly.
What daddy always tell you. Straighten up, little soldier. Stiffen it down. What you crying about? You got me?
Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, 'cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares.
We gon' stick together through it, we gon' do it.
Maybe uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. World we got in this world.
When it spins, when it twirls.
When it twirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move.
Mama's always on the news.
I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems
The harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me.
All the things growing up is
Daddy had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not.
plan it to be this way. Your mother and me,
You're
but
not
things
even
have
coming.
got so bad between
And
us.
who
I
can
don't
ask
see
me
us
if
ever
being
being
together ever again? Like we used to be when we were
kids.
kids.
And of course, everything
always happens for a reason.
I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and
That's what destiny is.
But no more worries, rest your head and
Go to sleep, maybe one day
we'll wake up
and this will all just be a dream.
Little baby,
Don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. No matter what it was, little lady, I told you, Daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know Mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, Mama's gonna be alright.
It's funny. I
Remember back one year when Daddy had no money,
Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me. Cause Daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas.
I sat up the whole night crying cause Daddy felt like a bum. See, Daddy had a job, but his job was to keep us food on the table for you and Mama in the time I ever had. I like this box. Shot up on the block. Was saving money for you in a pic. What is that? Oh. After the song, we're going to pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky were like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Let's pretend like it's 98. Like I'm eating lunch off a styrofoam tray. Trying to be the next rapper coming after A. Now I'm on a record deal, so ignore my pain. Now let's pretend like I'm on the
It's
stage.
been going on for 12 minutes.
Everybody goes insane. Okay.
Oh my god, let's
Everybody know
stop
my
it,
name.
girl.
Everywhere
Wait.
I go, people wanna hear me sing. Oh yeah, and I just dropped my new album. On the first week I did 500,000. Gold in the spring and diamond in the fall. Then the world tour just to
Top it all off.
and let's pretend like they call me the greatest.
Selling out a big,
ass stage. Everybody love me.
no one ever hated. Just trying to use imagination. Airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. We pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Get all close. Really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Bloody?
Okay. Let's pretend like this never happened.
Like I never had dreams of being a rapper.
Like I didn't write raps up in all of my classes. Like I never used to run away into the blackness.
Now, this
Pretend like it was
so
all
good.
Like I didn't live staring in the
No
notebook.
good.
Like I did the things that I probably knew I should. But I ain't have names.
That's why they call it hood.
Now let's pretend like I ain't got a name. Before they ever call me Big O.
Be a AKA body weight.
I'm talking back before the mixtapes. Before the videos and the deals and the fame.
Come on, rap.
Woo! Before I ever got on my space. Before they ever noticed my face. Let's just pretend
And make
wishes out of airplanes.
Oh, you want to kiss me? I could be. I wish right now. She's already been introduced. Mwah. Mwah. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Subscribe. Say bye, London.
Bye bye.
That's Alyssa.
Oh.
London, say bye. I'll have to get her. Comment